Namaste yogis and welcome to my yoga channel. Start your day with a nice full body vinyasa flow. We'll warm up with sun salutations and do other stretching, strengthening and energizing poses. We'll begin standing up tall at the top of your mat with your feet together. Inhale through the nose, reach your arms up. Exhale, join your hands together in front of your heart in prayer position. And feel free to set your intention for your practice and your day. Namaste. Inhale, drop your arms down, bend the knees, and as you exhale, straighten out the legs, twist your chest to the right, left arm is in the front, right arm in the back. Inhale, bend the knees, exhale, twist to your left. Right arm is in the front, left arm in the back. Inhale, bend the knees, and exhale, twist to your right. Remember to twist from your chest, only from the waist up. Inhale, bend the knees, and exhale, twist to your left. Inhale, bend the knees, lower your arms, and exhale, come back to center. Well done. On your next inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, start folding from the hips forward. Keep lengthening the spine. Drop your head down. Soften the knees, and slightly shift your weight to the balls of your feet. Breathe into the hamstrings, stretching out the hamstrings. Keep your eyes open and keep breathing. Feel free to take ragdoll pose by holding on to the opposite elbows and swaying from side to side. Wonderful. Come back to center and release your arms down. On your next inhale, place your hands on the shins. Come up halfway, flat back. Exhale to lower. Inhale, come up all the way. Sweep your arms down, around, and all the way up. Exhale, join your hands together in front of your heart. Get ready for sun salutation A. Inhale, sweep your arms down, around, and up. Exhale, fold forward from your hips. Come all the way down, standing forward bend. Inhale, lengthen the spine, come up halfway with your hands on your shins. Exhale to lower down. Inhale, step the right foot out to the back in a high lunge. Exhale, step your left foot to meet the right. Downward facing dog. Hold your downward facing dog and pedal out your feet to warm up the hamstrings. Bend one knee, straighten out the other leg, and switch sides. Keep alternating. Do a few more. And then lower your heels down. Inhale, shift your weight forward, come into a plank. Adjust your hands and feet. Exhale, lower the knees, chest, chin down. Inhale, come up into a cobra, peel your chest up, look forward. And exhale to lower down. Inhale, curl the toes under, bend the knees, and push yourself back into a downward facing dog. Exhale. Inhale, look forward, step your right foot in between the hands. Exhale, step your left foot forward to meet the right. Standing forward bend. Inhale, place your hands on the shins, flat back, come up halfway. Exhale to lower. Inhale, circle your arms down, round, all the way up. Exhale, hands in front of your heart, prayer. Left side, inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Soften the knees. Inhale, place your hands on your shins, come up halfway with a flat back. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, step your left foot out to the back, high lunge. Exhale, step the right foot out to the back, downward facing dog. Again, pedal out your feet, bend one knee, straighten out the other, and keep going. Then lower your heels down. Inhale, come into a plank. Exhale, lower knees, chin, chest down. Inhale, press through the tops of the feet and your pubic bone, peel your chest up, cobra pose, and exhale to lower. Inhale, curl the toes under, bend the knees. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, look forward, step your left foot in between the hands. Exhale, step your right foot forward to meet your left. Standing forward bend. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Come up halfway, and exhale, fold forward. Inhale, sweep your arms down, around, and come all the way up. Exhale, join your hands together, Samastarihi. Keep your right foot facing the front. Step your left foot out to the back. with the left toes pointing to your left side. Make sure that the heels are in line with each other. Straighten out the legs. Inhale, lift the arms up horizontal with the floor. Exhale, reach your right arm forward, bump your left hip to the back. Place the right hand on your upper leg, right lower leg, foot or the floor. Left hand can stay on your left hip or reach it up towards the sky. Stack your shoulders, you can look up or down, whatever you prefer. Take a deep breath in your triangle pose, which is a great way to give yourself a full body stretch. And then inhale, come back up. Reverse it as you exhale, reach your right arm up, lower your left hand down. Keep breathing, opening up the side body. And inhale, come back to center, exhale, place your hands on the hips. Turn both feet parallel with the short edges of your mat. Inhale, lengthen the spine, fold forward from the hips in a wide-legged forward bend. Soften the knees. You can keep your hands on the hips or interlace your hands behind your lower back for a shoulder stretch. Inhale, draw your shoulder blades towards each other. Exhale, bring your hands towards your head. Breathe into your stretch. Keep your hands together as you lower them down. Place them on the floor. Inhale, lengthen the spine, come up halfway. Exhale, inhale, place the left hand in the center on the floor. And exhale, reach your right arm up for a twist, twisting from the chest. Keep your hips parallel with the floor and keep breathing. Exhale to lower the right hand down. Inhale, place the right hand in the center. Exhale, twisting from the chest to your left. Reach your left arm up. Remember to keep your hips even with the floor. Lower your left hand down as you breathe out. Coming out of the twist. Inhale, come back up, place your hands on the hips, and bring your upper body all the way up. Let's get ready for triangle pose on the other side. Point the left foot to your front and the right foot to your right side. Heels are in line with each other. Inhale, lift the arms up, parallel with the floor. Exhale, reach your left arm forward, bump your hips to the back, and place the left hand on your left upper leg, lower leg, foot, or the floor. Right hand stays on the right hip, or reach it up. Stack your shoulders, open your chest, look up or down. Breathe into your triangle pose. Try to micro bend your front knee. And then inhale, come back to center. Exhale, reverse it. Reaching the left arm up, side body stretch, drop the right hand down. Deep breath, and come back to center. With your hands on the hips, take a wide stance, bend the knees, turn the heels in, point the toes out, and the knees are pointing in the same direction as the toes. Also make sure that the knees are right above the ankle. Hold on to your upper legs with the thumb facing the front. Inhale, get ready. Exhale, bring your right shoulder forward, slightly twisting to your left. Inhale, switch sides. Exhale, twisting to your right side. Bring the left shoulder forward. Do a few more on your own. And then come back to center. Keep your knees bent in goddess position. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bend the elbows and take cactus arm position or goal pose. Inhale, open your chest more, and exhale, bring your hands and elbows towards each other. Inhale, bring your elbows and hands out to the sides. Exhale to close. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale, contract. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale to open. Exhale. Well done. Inhale, reach your arms up, straighten out your legs. And exhale, release, place your hands on the hips. Parallel your feet with the short edges of your mat. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, take your wide-legged forward fold. Remember, folding from the hips, never from the back. Relax your neck, keep breathing. Bend the knees. And then walk your hands towards the front of your mat, towards your right foot. And step your left foot to meet the right. Stand with your big toes together, slightly separate the heels, bend the knees even more, and then inhale, sweep your arms up as you take a seat into your chair pose. Lengthen from the crown of the head all the way down through the tailbone. Keep lengthening the tailbone down towards the ground, and for a challenge, lift up your heels, hold balance, steady your breath. Squeeze your knees and thighs together, and exhale, lower the heels down, bend the knees even more, and take a seat. Keep your knees up. Firmly plant your feet into the floor, hold on to your knees, and roll yourself down one vertebra at a time. Chin to your chest, head comes down last. Lie down on your back. Lengthen out the left leg and hug your right knee into your chest. Hold on to your right knee. And then place your right ankle, flex your right foot, place your right ankle on your left knee. Bring your left knee closer to your chest and hold on to the back of your left thigh or your left shin. For reclined pigeon pose, keep opening the right knee out to the side. Keep breathing. And then release. Lower your left foot down, scoot your hips a few inches over to the right, and as you exhale, let your knees fall to the left side. Keep your shoulders on the floor, open the right arm out to the right side on the floor at shoulder height. Breathe into your supine twist. Final breath. And as you inhale, come back to center. Switching sides. Lengthen out the right leg. Hug your left knee into your chest. Then flex the left foot and place the left ankle on your right knee. Bend the right knee and bring your right knee closer to your chest. Opening your left hip and hold on to the back of your right thigh or your right shin. Imprint your lower back into the floor and connect with your breath. Slowly release, placing the right foot down, scooting your hips over to your left, and letting your knees fall to the right side as you exhale. Open your left arm at shoulder height on the floor. Breathe into your supine twist. And it's totally okay if your knees are not touching the floor as long as your shoulders are both on the floor. Stay connected with your breath. One final breath in supine twist. And as you inhale, come back to center. Hugging your knees into your chest and release on an exhale. Come into your final resting pose, Shavasana or corpse pose. Extend your legs, let your feet fall open. Arms are along the body with the palms facing up. Head is in the center. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths. Inhale through the nose, feel how the breath expands your body, and exhale, release. Release any tension. Keep breathing. Keep your mind still. Let the thoughts come and go. Take one more deep breath in corpse pose. Feel free to stay here for as long as you like. And otherwise, wake up your body, give yourself a nice stretch, yawn, sigh, do what feels good. And then bring your knees up, roll yourself to the right side into fetus position. From there, push yourself up into a cross-legged position to close our practice. Sit up tall. Inhale, reach your arms up and gather all the positive energy, love, and light into your whole being. Exhale, join your hands together and place your hands in prayer position in front of your heart. Remember your intention that you set for your practice or your day. And also thank yourself for taking this time for yourself to do your yoga practice. May it be a blessing to you. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to practicing with you again.